Have you ever found yourself staring at a wall of whiskey, wondering what the difference is between Scotch, bourbon, and rye? You're not alone. Today, we're going to demystify the world of whiskey and turn you into a more confident connoisseur. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what you're looking at and what you might like to try next. So, what exactly is whiskey? At its core, whiskey is a distilled alcoholic beverage made from a fermented mash of cereal grains. These grains can include corn, barley, rye, and wheat. After distillation, the spirit is aged in wooden barrels, usually made of oak, which is where it gets its color and much of its flavor. Now, you might have noticed two different spellings, whiskey with an E and whiskey without. This isn't a typo. The spelling actually tells you where it's from. In the United States and Ireland, it's spelled whiskey. In Scotland, Canada, and Japan, it's whiskey. Now let's get into the main event, the different types of whiskey. We'll focus on three of the most popular, Scotch, bourbon, and rye. First up, Scotch. To be called Scotch, a whiskey must be made entirely in Scotland. It's typically made from malted barley, and its signature smoky flavor comes from the peat fires used to dry the barley. So if you taste a distinct smokiness, you're likely drinking a Scotch. Next, we have bourbon, America's native spirit. To be legally called bourbon, a whiskey must be made in the United States, and its mash bill must contain at least 51% corn. This high corn content gives bourbon its characteristic sweetness. It must also be aged in new, charred oak barrels, which contributes to its rich flavor and deep amber color. And finally, rye whiskey. As the name suggests, rye whiskey is made from a mash that contains at least 51% rye grain. This gives it a spicier, more astringent flavor compared to the sweetness of bourbon. Rye is a favorite for cocktails because its bold flavor can stand up to other ingredients. Since bourbon is so popular, let's look a little closer at what makes it so special. Beyond the 51% corn and new charred oak barrel requirements, there are a few other rules. Bourbon must be distilled to no more than 160 proof. And just to clarify, proof is simply double the alcohol percentage. So 160 proof means 80% alcohol. This high limit ensures the spirit retains the grain flavors that make bourbon distinctive. It must then be entered into the barrel for aging at no more than 125 proof and bottled at a minimum of 80 proof. That's 40% alcohol, which is standard for most whiskeys. And importantly, no artificial flavorings or colorings can be added. What you see in the bottle is what came out of the barrel. While 95% of the world's bourbon is made in Kentucky, it can legally be produced anywhere in the United States. So next time you see a bourbon from another state, don't be afraid to give it a try. So, to quickly recap the flavors. Scotch is known for its smoky flavor. Bourbon is characteristically sweet. Rye is spicy and a bit more astringent. Of course, there's a huge range of flavors within each category, but these are the general guidelines to get you started. And that's it. You're now equipped with the basic knowledge to navigate the world of whiskey. The best way to learn more is to start tasting. So next time you're at a bar or liquor store, try something new. Let us know in the comments what your favorite type of whiskey is.